I'm going to show you how to create a realistic spotlight effect in PowerPoint. Hi, hello, and welcome to another session with your Design by Design. I was given an image to add light effects. First, I'm setting the canvas size to match the image size. This image is not for cartoon animation use, so this clearly does not work. To make it realistic, add a trapezoid object and draw to match the width of the light. For more accuracy, feel free to zoom into your slide. Once you match the top width, adjust the length. This will be our light effects area. To make it more realistic, add a small circle at top of the trapezoid to match the light source and cut it out. To do that, select the trapezoid first and then the circle, select merge shapes and click subtract. Now you can see the complete light bulb area. Next, remove the shape outline and then fill the shape color to gradient. Here, select the linear down direction. We only need 2 gradient points, so I am removing the middle 2 points. Next, select the left gradient point, use the eyedropper and choose the light bulb color to match. Then for the right gradient point, which is the bottom of the shape, choose the same color but set the transparency to 100%. You see the difference? To make it more realistic, from the shape effect, select soft edges and select a desired level. Adjust the position of the shape with the light source. Doesn't it look real? Duplicate the shape and resize it to match the width of each light. I hope you liked this video. For more such videos, subscribe to Designer by Design. Thank you.